Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 3, leçon N. So let's discover now what we'll see in this lesson and we'll work on le Moyen-Orient, the Middle East. Okay, let's start. Le Moyen-Orient. So it's interesting here because normally if you would have only this word here, you would pronounce it moyen, moyen. Okay, but then as you've got this vowel after, okay, you get to make the liaison between the two, le Moyen-Orient, Moyen-Orient. Okay, let's start now. Israël, Israël, la Palestine, la Palestine, le Liban, le Liban, la Jordanie, la Jordanie. Okay, so let's repeat them one more time. Le Moyen-Orient, Israël, la Palestine, le Liban, la Jordanie. Okay, and now we'll see the nationalities. Okay, so Israel, and then I will put the masculine form here and the feminine form here. Israélien, Israélien, so masculine form, and then feminine form. Israélienne, Israélienne, okay? Yen, yen, okay? And then Palestinien, Palestinien, feminine form. Palestinienne, Palestinienne. Le Liban, Libanais, Libanais, Libanaise, okay? Z, Libanais, Libanaise. And then Jordanie, Jordanien, Jordanienne, okay? Yen, yen. Jordanien, Jordanienne. Okay, so let's see them one more time. Israël, Israélien, Israélienne. La Palestine, Palestinien, Palestinienne. Le Liban, Libanais, Libanaise. La Jordanie, Jordanien, Jordanienne. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. So remember that I've been making quite many lessons on YouTube, and then you can check them on this channel here, Imagier, and then more material on the website. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.